Hi, Hayne at DIY Van here, and just wanted to introduce again. I think I actually did a video on an extended van with an awning that we put on it. This is a regular length 148 high roof, and it's got the same awning brackets that we used on the extended van. This is a shorter awning. This is the 8-foot awning. It's like 8 foot 8 inches long and an 8 foot 1 inch canopy. And but these are our brackets, which put the awning a lot lower on the van than if it were on a rack, which is nice because when you deploy the awning, Fiamma recommends that you deploy it about 2 feet and then that you put the legs down. So when you deploy this, I can actually reach the legs. If it was up on a rack, then I have to get on a ladder or a stool to actually reach the legs to pull those out and put those down so we can extend the awning all the way. It looks nice. These are like a no drill awning bracket. So they are attached to the OEM locations on top of the van. So where the roof rack would go. Our brackets are designed so that you can actually still put a roof rack on. So if you wanted to put on a rack, one of our racks for solar panels or whatnot, then we would just put our towers on top of those brackets that are wrapping down the side of the van. They rest against the side of the van, and we have 3M VHB tape. We actually have a little spacer at the front and a little spacer at the rear position, and then at this far rear position we have another spacer, because there is a very gradual curve front to back of the van itself. So the spacers basically allow us to have a flat surface for the awning to mount on. So this turned out really nice. Again, it looks nice. The awning isn't way up in the air. It doesn't stick forward. So this is a great way to get an awning on your high roof Transit without buying a rack and without having the awning super high up in the air. And we did this installation for this customer. Came all the way from up north in Canada. It's about a 9-hour drive. So we're honored for him to come and make that trip for us to do some work on his van. And if we can help you with your van project, we would love to do so and be honored for your business. Thanks for watching.